All right, first graders, let's look at a sentence and we're going to be labeling the nouns and the verbs. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. Let's read the sentence and listen for the nouns. A teacher sang in the classroom. Did you hear any people? I did too. A teacher is a person. So a teacher is a noun. We're going to underline it in red and put an N for noun. A noun is a person, place. Are there any places in this sentence? A teacher sang in the classroom. Yeah, classroom is a place. We're going to underline it and put an N for noun. Are there any things in our sentence? A teacher sang in the classroom? I don't hear one either. So now I'm going to pick out blue and we're going to look for our verbs. Remember, a verb is something you can do. What is the teacher doing? Yeah, the teacher sang. So the word sang is a verb. Now some of you said, oh, the teacher sang in the classroom. That's the whole sentence. The verb is just one word, sang. Okay, on your next slide, you are going to be doing this sentence. I'll let you check that one out with your red and blue on your slide. The sister was swinging in the park. On the next slide, you are going to underline the nouns in red and the verbs in blue.